We will guide you through how to restore an archive page in Confluence. Quick disclaimer: skipping a single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, launch Google Chrome or any web browser of your choice, and make sure your browser is open and ready before proceeding to the next step. Go to atlassian.com/software/confluence and wait for the homepage to load completely before continuing. Click Sign In to open the Atlassian sign-in page, where you will be prompted to enter your account credentials. On the Atlassian sign-in page, enter your email address carefully in the email field, making sure it is entered correctly before proceeding. Click Continue to proceed to the password page, where you will be asked to enter your account password. Enter your password carefully in the password field, ensuring that it is entered correctly before continuing. Click Login to access your Atlassian account. Click the app switcher icon next to your profile picture to display the available Atlassian applications connected to your account. Select Confluence to access your Confluence workspace. Open the space that you want to use. Click the three-dot menu next to the space name to open the available space management options. Select Space Settings to open the configuration page for the selected space. Click the Content menu to expand the available options and display the content management settings. Select Archive to view the list of archived pages within the selected space. Click the three-dot menu next to the page that you want to restore to display the available page actions. Select Restore to begin the page restoration process. If needed, choose a parent page. For this example, keep No Parent selected. Click Restore to confirm the action and wait for the page restoration process to finish completely. You have now successfully restored an archived page in Confluence.